Hello, my name is Adrian Stevens. In this video we're going to edit a recording that was made in the previous video. We're going to look for editing marks in the text and make any necessary adjustments. So this is the project as it was saved in Audacity at the end of the last video. If we hit Ctrl F, we can see that the edit marks are clearly shown because they're louder than the surrounding sound. So let's look at making an edit here. I'm using the mouse and the Control and Shift to change the horizontal scale and to shift. That's the shift scales, the shift key shifts and the control key scales. So we also changed to waveform dB mode so that we can see the start of the word. And let's play this. And would be severely victimized but for special remedy. We start at the back and we go forward because there might be multiple attempts at the same phrase, and we want to keep just the last one. So we start with the last one and then work back from and would. Okay, this is me talking about it, so we need to find the and would. More mistakes. I'm still talking about it. This is, you won't usually get that in a recording you make. Now this is an and would be okay, so that's another and would, but notice this is itself a try, so we haven't got back to where it starts, so probably and would, and that's me talking about it again. Okay, so there again we haven't got, that is a repeat. In Norway, where salads are scarce, the bonder and his houseman have at times suffered greatly from scurvy, especially in the far north, and would be... Okay, so this is where we need to go back to, way back here. And what we do is we've got the cursor placed at the last repetition of and would, and this is the first repetition of and would. So I'm going to hit the shift on the keyboard and left mouse. That has selected a whole bunch of text. We can scroll out to see what we've actually selected. A whole bunch of retries and me talking about the process. If I hit the delete key, that deletes that, and then we'll scroll in again. And now this is where the cursor shows. Let's listen to that and see if it actually sounds reasonably fluent. Greatly from scurvy, especially in the far north, and would be severely victimized, but it's okay. I mean, the pitch of my voice was slightly higher in the and would here than I would like it, but it will do. So that's how we make a single edit. Of course, we have to go through and deal with all of the marks in this file. I'm not going to do that. It's exactly the same process. In this video, I've shown how to make a simple edit in a file recorded in Audacity based on the marks placed in speech during recording. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.